No longer will you need to search for wrenches or lose lock nuts or flanges. X-Lock is a toolless quick change system that makes accessory changes up to 5 times faster than traditional threaded lock nut mounting. The X-Lock system makes accessory changes in 3 easy steps. Pull the lever all the way back to the unlock position. Push the wheel in to attach. And when it comes time to change the wheel, pull the lever up to quickly release. Available X-Lock accessories include diamond blades, cutoff wheels, grinding wheels, multi-discs, and wire brushes. Select accessories are backwards compatible and work with standard 7/8" arbor angle grinders.